Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can make a payment on Temu, so let's get right into it. Now, making a payment on Temu is relatively easy. You just need to have a payment method which you want to use and then use it when the appropriate time comes. Now, you can add a payment method in a couple different ways. You can go into your account settings and set up a payment method from here. If you want, for example, if I go into my profile, I should be able to find well, tab where I can add my payment methods. There we go. Just go into your payment methods. And as you can see, you can add a credit or debit card. This depends on the region you're in. You might have additional options such as PayPal. I'm pretty sure PayPal works with this in certain regions. You have Gcash if you're in the Philippines or India. Easy Paisa, etc., etc. You can add whichever method that you would like. Now, I won't, of course, be adding my credit card here, but you can do that like that. You can additionally just go into your shop and then add anything to your cart. For example, these pliers, just add them, go into checkout, and for some reason it's telling me that in order under £10 will not be shipped. Not sure why, but let's say add this as well. So now it's added. Let's go to our cart and then proceed to checkout. And as you can see, you can go to express checkout with PayPal if you have PayPal. So I was right in regards to that. And you can go into checkout and you can add your name, first name, last name, phone number, and everything that you need, your address for shipping as well. Then you continue to payment, and then it's as easy as just adding your payment method as you would on your account page, and that is pretty much all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.